Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can block someone on Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my screen right now, I have a guide opened up, and the reason for that is because I don't have Cash App access in my region. So this is the only way that I can show you guys how you can do this, and I hope you guys really understand. This is the best I can do at the current moment, but let me get right into the topic at hand. Now, what you need to do to block someone, and most likely you would like to block someone based on a previous transaction you've done with that person, and the way that you do this is you just have to go to your Cash App home screen, go to the activity tab on your Cash App home screen, and then tap the name of the person you want to block, and after that just scroll to the bottom of their profile and select block. Once you do this, that profile will be blocked and you will not be able to make transactions with them until you unblock them, nor will they be able to request any money from you before you unblock them as well. Now, this does not create a formal report. If you want to create an actual formal report, you will need to take the appropriate steps so you can go to their account pretty much in the same way, and then go ahead and you will be able to submit a report before you block them or after you block them. I'm pretty sure both work just as well. But if you have some safety issues with somebody or another person, you will need to report them simply so that Cash App can deactivate their account if they do indeed do some malevolent stuff, or if they are in breach of the terms of service. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.